Hello everyone, welcome back to my next video. Today, today we will learn to ChatGPT, GPT-5 new function. First of all, I will introduce myself, not big introduce, little bit introduce. My name is Satendra Mahato. Uh, I am from Nepal and, and now I am from working Bahrain or working. Okay, let's start today's topic. GPT-5 new function. I will guide or I will teach. Okay, mm, main main things. Uh, Main reason, but main reason. I have no any computer laptop. I have only smartphone. I will only guide how to use smartphone, but every device same process. Every device same process. Like if you use laptop, computer, tab, iPad, or mobile, we, every device same process. Every device also same function, but computer, laptop, this case a little bit one two option more than one two option, but mobile in mobile no different more one two option. Okay, let's start. First of all, open ChatGPT. Which device you are use? Open. I will already open. I am already open. ChatGPT application. Then after open, you look down, ask ChatGPT, then mic bottom, then voice bottom also. Yeah, I will reading till, is- step by step. First of all, ask ChatGPT mean what is your question or what is your curiosity? Tap here. Uh, this and second step, this of my if you not free, if you no free time, but if you only talk to Mike, this condition if you speak, then search option. This type of giving answer. And next is voice.
Hey there, how's it going? Hey there, how's it going?
Wait, wait, just a minute. First of all, new chat.
Hey there, how's it going?
Hello, ChatGPT.
Hey there, how's it going? What can I do for you today?
Can you help me?
Of course, I'm here to help. Just let me know what you need and I'll do my best.
Can you tell me what type of coming nowadays GPT-5 version update?
Absolutely. So, GPT-5 is expected to be the next iteration of the language models from OpenAI. It'll likely have improvements in understanding, generating more nuanced responses, and potentially better contextual awareness. There's a lot of speculation, but we're waiting For sure. If you have any specific questions about GPT-5 or anything else, just let me know. I'm happy to dive into more details.
Like this, you also use then again new chat.
After this three after this three function using click this cross button, first look photo upload, photo upload and ask what is this, what type of under the photo, what is accuracy or what type of this picture, your doubt, upload and clear your doubt. Then cameras, camera lifetime click photo like this. After clicking, ask what is the same like accuracy. I'm asking what is this. Then again press button, file, 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 uh, file. If you use file option, you upload video, pictures, document, PDF. Uh, I am mainly use PDF because any PDF more than 100 page, 500 page. Sometime I found 1,000 page PDF, but not three times so much. If you have only 13 minutes, if you have only 10 minutes, how to read 1,000 page? This case, if you open ChatGPT and upload your document or PDF and ask what is your what is looking under the ChatGPT under the PDF, sorry, under the PDF, type this what is your looking this type or what is equation, ask ChatGPT and ChatGPT easily resource and few seconds resource and give your looking answer. What is your under the PDF looking on thought create image. If you any type of image creating, what if you have prompt but no you have picture, this time you light prompt and wait 5 minutes, almost 5 minutes wait. After 5 minutes, ChatGPT give result or create your image. Then thinking means first think ChatGPT, then give your answer, not directly give answer. You direct ask ChatGPT type any type of question, direct ChatGPT give answer, not thinking. But you click first thinking and ask question first. ChatGPT thinks thinking, after thinking give your answer. Next, deep research. If you have mm, difficult little bit question, but your answer want to you want deeply answer, you select first deeply research. After deeply research, you search your what is your PVC. And this option maybe it will be taking time, but because this is first of all deeply research. After researching, you give your result. And next, website. If you any type of website researching, but don't found any website, you you come ChatGPT website and search. I I want to this type of uh, application. Please search and give uh, application link. And this time also taking some time because this time also first of all ChatGPT searching where is found this type of application. After searching easily finally give or easily give uh, your application link. Then this condition you open your, if you want to download, you download also download. uh, my friend every time asking me where this is found CapCut Pro application. I will I am tell go chat GPT and mm, select function website everything website and ask chat GPT. Usually you will give chat GPT Pro CapCut Pro application. You then after giving chat GPT to click this link. After clicking link download easily use because CapCut Pro inter person very useful. Everything is to pay. Don't no paid, not paid. Any function not paid. Any function not paid. Every and third study and learn. Study and learn. This option use student. I'm also using sometime. Not a student. I'm also using sometime. And any type of your question or doubt like this science question, math question, upload your picture and ask, please give your solution or dialect you told, give your only solution, not definition or no language. Uh, math question timing, asking math question timing. This type of question you ask ChatGPT, and then left quiz. Quiz option also same like yeah. If many what uh, many example or teachers making question in exam purpose. This time you use this option class 1 to lower class question paper. You make help take this option is one question and three option under one answer right or left to answer mistake. This type of you make question answer. And next shopping listers. Next option shopping and next option uh, your new your with ChatGPT. This means ChatGPT history and expose app means look, not this explanation. You look first up this tab. Canva or more than is this tab booking com there. This option I also don't know how to use. Uh, okay, today's this much. Uh, this option I will first of all learn and then again next video meet you this option explanations. Okay, now bye bye again meet you next.